Hi everybody, I'm excited to unbox the Blazing Bull infrared grill. So let's open this up and see what we got. Wow, this is a big one. This looks really exciting. This is a heavy one. Here. There we go. I'm gonna flip this around for you. There you have it. It's the Blazing Bull. You see the infrared lights in there. Infrared grill. It's got a drip tray. This can heat up to 1500 degrees, and so it'll get that perfect sear on your steak every single time. This is the same technology Morton's, all these high-end steakhouses use in order to get you that perfect steak that's grilled on the outside, but still nice, juicy, tender on the inside. So if you want to learn more, definitely check this out. This is an awesome grill, and I can't wait to try it out and get grilling with it.